The top curls back down. You see a singular, angry, burning eye in the middle of its face as its jaw kind of splits open. That weird trill sound.
Oh no!
She gets her arrow out, and you see her aiming downward as it falls. As she releases the arrow, it manages to catch it. Go ahead and roll for an attack.
Okay.
See how well it hits.
Oh, that's good. 30?
Oh, good God.
No, wait, 28.
Yeah.
She's fucking
And everyone
Throwing
goes
stars.
over and starts rummaging through this like open chest, this like storage chest on the side. Things are like falling out the side. Ting, 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 ting. A shield like goes and rolls. Super loud, echoing throughout the chamber, and it like pulls in. As she does that, she reaches down and pulls out what looks to be this like dark red, almost glass bottle with a large cap that pulls off. Little tiny glass, passes it over to you, and you look at it. As you guys begin to approach the gate, you hear a small horn just kind of give off this arrival notification, this but like deeper and much cooler sounding. Because I'm not